Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make medium-length hair look good. First, ensure your hair is healthy by getting regular trims, ideally every 6 to 8 weeks, to remove split ends and maintain its shape. Always use a high-quality, sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner to keep your hair hydrated and strong. When drying, gently towel dry your hair and let it air dry about 75% before applying any heat. This simple step significantly reduces heat damage and keeps your hair looking its best. Now, let's talk about essential products and techniques. Before any heat styling, always apply a dime-sized amount of heat protectant evenly through your damp hair to shield it from damage. For added volume, work a small amount of volumizing mousse into your roots before blow drying. If you desire a more natural, textured look, a few spritzes of sea salt spray on damp or dry hair can create effortless, beaky waves. These products are key to achieving versatile and polished styles. Medium-length hair offers many stylish options. For a quick, elegant look, try a classic messy bun or a chic half-up style, securing it with a few bobby pins. Soft, natural waves are easily achieved using a 1-inch curling iron, curling away from your face for a flattering effect. If you prefer a sleek finish, a flat iron can create a smooth, straight style, but always ensure your hair is completely dry and protected beforehand. These styles are versatile and easy to master. To truly make your medium-length hair look good, tailor your approach to your hair type. For fine hair, opt for lightweight volumizing products and consider subtle layers to create the illusion of fullness. If you have thick hair, texturizing creams can help manage volume, and regular thinning cuts can reduce bulk. Always finish your chosen style with a light hold hairspray to ensure it lasts throughout the day without feeling stiff or crunchy. This personalization ensures your best look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.